We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of AntDesign Cordless Pressure Washer with 2 pieces 4.0 amp-hour portable batteries. Consists of the following features: 24,000 RPM brushless motor and 3 power levels. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, our cordless power washer offers 3 adjustable pressure levels: gentle for windows or garden care, medium for floors, and powerful for tough car grime. This pressure washer for cars and home use blasts dirt without damaging delicate surfaces. 2 pieces 4.0 amp-hour batteries and 3-color IPS screen to track power. This cordless pressure washer battery powered delivers up to 45+ minutes of continuous runtime, enough to tackle a full car wash, patio scrub, and garden irrigation in one go. No cords, no power outlets, just the freedom of a portable pressure washer cordless that goes wherever dirt is. 45-second auto shut-off and safe lock and stop valve. This handheld pressure washer automatically powers off after 45 seconds of inactivity, improving safety and conserving battery life during pauses. We have incorporated additional safety features, including a mechanical safety lock and an emergency stop valve, to halt the machine's operation at any time. More than a portable car washer, it's a multi-purpose tool. The 33 feet or 10-meter hose reaches every corner of your vehicle or patio, while the self-priming function draws water from buckets, pools, or lakes. It can also be connected to various faucets and pipes. Use it as a car wash machine or for garden irrigation. One tool, endless uses. Lightweight and portable design, weighing just 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms, this handheld pressure washer is easy to carry with one hand, even for extended use. The compact design fits in your car trunk or garage storage, making it convenient for on-the-go cleaning tasks. Versatile nozzle options. The included 6-in-1 nozzle set provides multiple spray patterns for different cleaning applications, from gentle rinsing to powerful jet streams. Switch between nozzles to customize water flow for windows, vehicles, patios, or heavy-duty cleaning tasks. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.